Today, I'm going to be reviewing Grnheat's Survival Kit Advent Calendar. I'm like a little kid and I'm so excited about this. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Do I really have to open them all? I kind of want to be surprised, but I know you want to know what's going on. And since there's a Cyber Monday deal coming up and other deals throughout the month, you're going to want to check this out. So let's open this up. It's got 24 survival different product, whistles, survival tools, ropes. This is what the inside looks like. When you've opened it all up, you got yourself a little case too, which is pretty cool. These are all just numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 1 and let's see what this looks like. This out of the case. Cute how they did this in these little boxes right here. This is number 1. The first thing you got. We got ourselves a carabiner. I love it. I don't know if I'm going to open them all. I don't want to take away the big surprise. I'm going to put a picture up of all the different things you get. You're just not going to know when you get them. You can see all throughout here, all the different ones. We'll save 24 for you to actually see what it is. Let's take out number 5 and let's see what we got on day 5. What a great idea. This does really well on Amazon. He gets 4.9 stars, 79 reviews, and last month, October 2025, 1,000 plus of these were sold. All right, what do we have here? Right here. All right, what does it say here? Micro survival. Oh, it's a mirror. I mean, what a great idea. It's super inexpensive. The man of the house, even kids might just love getting all the different things in here. I think this is a great gift. I mean, I was super excited for them to send this to me. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.